Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about different types of chat which are available. Okay, so if you guys can see, this is a kind of chat, and if you guys can see, this is also a different kind of chat. So how can you use this different kind of chats, and what are the uses of it and advantages of it? So I'll be telling you all this thing in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to know all the different types of chats which are available in stock market trading. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, and also if you want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also, I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, there is a offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, this is a Zerodha trading platform which I'm showing you now. So usually you guys have seen normal candlestick chart. Okay, so this is a normal candlestick chart, but there are a lot of other things in the chart section. So if you go to display here, you can see a bar chart. Okay, so this is something like a normal candlestick chart, but without any color and without any body. It's just a line. Okay, this is a high, low, and this is a open and close. Okay, as you guys can see, this which is showing like a dash, that will be your open and close. Okay, and this is a high and low as usual, as you see. And now let's see colored bar. Colored bar is the same like a candlestick. Okay, but here red color and green color bars can be seen. Okay, and line. So this is a line chart. Okay, it just draws a line, no candlesticks can be found here. This is a vertex line, same way, but wherever the stock or the price has taken its change or reversal, there you can see something kind of dots. Okay, step, so this is a step kind of formation. Mountain, so it looks like same like a line, but there's a color added to it. Baseline, so this is how it looks. So whenever the stock goes below, the red color will be formed, and whenever it comes in higher range, the green color will be formed. Hollow candle, same as a candlestick chart, but the green candles are with hollow. Okay, and now let's see the next chart, that is volume candle. So this shows the candle which are having most volume. You can see some candles are being fat, some candles are being slim. Okay, so those are the candles, the big candles what you see are the candles which are having the maximum volume. Okay, so you can identify the stocks which are having a volume like this. And now let's see the colored HLC bar. So if you click that, it will look same like a colored candlestick bars. Okay, so now let's see the next one, that is scatter plot. So scatter plot is not at all a candle, it just shows dot. Okay, so how and where the prices have been formed. And next one is histogram. So histogram you might have seen in the MACD indicator, so that's the same way how it is formed. So these are the histogram looks. Okay, so these are the normal things, but here are the other things which you need to see. Okay, so those are Icon-Ashi. So many of the people are aware of Icon-Ashi. So Icon-Ashi, what it does is it's the same like candlestick chart, but it smoothens out. Okay, it smoothens down the volatility which has been happened in the chart. Okay, so if you see the normal candlestick chart, so it looks like this, but when you use the Icon-Ashi, you can see something like this, where lot of noise has been reduced here. Okay, and now let's come to the Kagi. So if you come to Kagi chart, so this looks something like this. So these are the charts which are dependent on your setting what you do. This doesn't depend on your time frame, but these are depending on your settings. Okay, so for this you can keep your settings like enter the value and hit enter to set the reversal percentage. So this pattern, I mean this candle chart, is used to identify the reversal. Okay, and also to identify the support and resistance level. Okay, so let me just quickly draw how it works. So let's see, let me just draw the resistance level and support level for this, and this will work for your normal candlestick also. So as you guys can see, this is how it has done. And if I put a normal candlestick here, you can see exactly the support and resistance level how they are formed. Okay, so this is about the Kagi chart which you just saw now. So now let me show you the next thing which is available, line break. So line break is something like a candlestick chart, but it is not a candlestick. So it always forms like 3 or 4 in the same candle, like green, and then whenever the trend is forming, you can see how the size of a candlestick is decreasing. So when the size of a candlestick decreases, that means there is a reversal in the trend. Okay, you can see there was a big green color candle here, and that size became less here, so it was decreasing, and once it decreased, the red candle started forming and the stock trend reversed and the stock came down. Okay, so this is how you can do the reversal trading by using this chart. So next, let's see Renko. So many of the people have heard and seen Renko chart. Okay, these are the Renko looks. Okay, so Renko is formed by the price movement. Okay, so it is just like a price brick, and it always forms 45-degree kind of chart. Okay, it will go up like this and it will come down like this. So this is a Renko chart how it looks, and these are all a Japanese kind of charts. Okay, and this is a range bar. So this looks something like a candlestick, but it's not a candlestick. And one more thing what you can observe here is you can't see any volume here. Okay, you can see volume as 0, but in a normal candlestick you can see volume, but this doesn't depend on the volume, it depends on the price action of it's happening, and then the candlestick will be formed. And now the next thing is point and figure. So this is something unique and different. So it is formed by X and O. Okay, so whenever the stock is in the upper trend, it forms the X, and whenever the stock is coming down or whenever it's in red, it forms the O. Okay, it's like this, and this doesn't depend on the time frame, it all depends on the price. Okay, so these are the different kind of chart which are available and which you guys can see on your Zerodha. Okay, so I just thought of making an information video on this, so that's why I made this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel to learn more knowledge like this. Okay, and also if you guys want future video regarding all this candlestick in depth, like how to use it in intraday, do let me know in comment section so I can make a dedicated video on each and everything, so how we can use it on intraday trading. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to start making consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to stop your losses, you can join us today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.